everyone, I hope you all are doing great. I found this gift idea on Etsy which costed around 11 US dollars and is 875 INR. In this video, we will be recreating this on budget.
Shining bright like a sunshine, dreaming high like the stars.
So for this DIY project, you will need a mason jar. I bought it for rupees 40, watercolor or sketch pens and A4 size paper. Fold the paper so and mark all the squares. Start painting a square. If you aren't comfortable with watercolor, you can definitely go with sketch pens. After done with coloring, it will look something like this. And also color a small rectangular piece of paper for the label of the jar. Now start doodling and write messages on each square. Stick the label onto the inside of the jar. You can also put it outside, but it would look better if you put it inside. Now seal the jar using cloth, or you can also use paper. And I think this is a great gift for someone you love and care. You should definitely make one.
Dreaming high like the stars, dancing through